Hello friends, I Dr. Rivitu Mane from Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about experiment number 10, that is a write a program for MySQL database access. Software requirement of Python 3.6 MySQL version. Now first see the what is MySQL DB. That is what is MySQL database. MySQL database is an interface for connecting to a MySQL database server from Python. It implements the Python database API version 2.0 and it's built on top of the MySQL C API. First we will see how to install MySQL DB on your system. Before proceeding, you make sure have MySQL DB installed on your machine. Just type the following in your Python script and execute it. That is a import MySQL DB. This command you have typed, then if it is produced the following result, then it means MySQL DB module is not installed. Just like traceback step of error display on your system, that means you consider there is a not installed MySQL DB module on your system. Then to install MySQL DB module, use the following command. Suppose you are having the open source operating system, just like for the Ubuntu, that time you type the following command, that is $sudo apt-get install python-pip python-devlib mysql client-dev. Such type of a command you will be typed there. Automatically there is a install MySQL DB on your open source operating system. Then suppose your system is Fedora, that time you type sudo dnf install python-dev mysql -dev level rpm -config cc. Such type of a command you type on your particular command prompt. Suppose you are using for the Microsoft operating system, just like for your Windows, that time you type the command of the following pip space install mysql-python. Automatically install MySQL DB version on your system. Note that make sure have the root privilege in to install above module. That means it is necessary you check your login from your only admin authentication. If you are normal user, you are the login, then cannot possible to install all this command or run the above commands. You only admin privilege, that is for your login your particular system. Then next point related for your database connections. How to form database connection with the MySQL database. Before connecting to MySQL database, make sure the following points. First point, that is a you have created a database testdb. That is your first step. Second step, that is a you have to create a table employee in testdb. First you create database, assign name of that database, that is particular, that is your testdb. Then second case, you have created table employee in testdb. Third, this table has field. To take the field, first name, last name, age and income. Such type of a field taken that particular table, that is attributes. After that, next step, that is a assign user ID. That is user ID assigned, that is a test user, and password assigned for test 123. Instead of this user ID, test user and test 123, you can assign your own user ID and password are set to access the test database. Next step, that is created for Python module. MySQL is installed properly on your machine. Then you have gone to the MySQL database. Now see example of this. Following example, connectivity with the MySQL database. If you are installed properly and your connectivity form with the MySQL database, how to write down code in your Python? First, in your import your file, that is user/bin/python, import MySQL DB. First you want to open a database connections. That time write down the command, following command, db equal to MySQL DB dot connect in bracket localhost user ID password, that is a username assigned test user, password test123 and your table name, that is a testdb. Then prepare a cursor object using a cursor method. You can create for your one type of your object. It is called as a cursor. Cursor equal to db cursor. Then execute SQL query using execute method. That is a cursor.execute selection version. After that, you want to fetch a single row, fetch one method. That is a fetch one method is for to fetching of particular row. That is a data equal to cursor, fetch one, print database version %% data. After that, fetching the particular row, you can disconnect from server using of the command db.close. While running of this script, you write down this script on one file and running of this script producing the following result in my Linux system database version 5.0.4. If connection is established with the data source, then the connection object is returned and saved into DB for further use. Otherwise, DB is set to none. Next DB object is used to create a cursor object, which is turned in use execute SQL queries. Finally, before coming out of this, ensure that database connection is closed and resources are released. Next step, that is for you creating a database table. How to create a database table in Python using a MySQL DB. Once database connection is established, we are ready for to create tables or record into a database table using execute method of the created cursor. That means, suppose you want to create a database table employee. How to create it? Same connection. You first open the database connections using command db equal to mysql db.connect, localhost, test user ID password and your table name. Then prepare a cursor same as above. Draw first table. There is a create as per your requirement. If creating as per requirement, to type command SQL equal to create table employee, first name, then the data type character up to the limit 20, not null, last name, age, then for income and for particular data type, and finally cursor dot execute, that is for SQL, and finally disconnect of your server, that is db dot close. Then for your create of database using this script. After that, you want to insert some of the values in that particular table. The following script are used again for same: create a open, cursor methods, object pointer, particular cursor methods, then insert into employee, first name, last name, age, then for income, values for assigning values, Mac Moon 20, male and 2000, that is income. You will try an exception module use of that particular, because there is a cursor available that table or not, that is using for your try and execute. Again finally to roll back particular database and finally disconnect from your servers. Now this is for your the statics entry in tables. Now you can return following create SQL queries with the dynamically. It dynamically execute in database mysqldb.connect localhost. Dynamically, if you want to insert, simply use for your insert into employee, first name, last name, age, income, values, percentage, whatever your identifiers, then particular type of values you can use and insert the dynamic value in your tables. After that, following code segment is another form execution where you can pass parameter directly. That is user ID used for test123 and password, that is a password, whatever your password assigned. Now read operation. Read operation on any database means to fetch some useful information from the database. Once our database connection is established, you are ready to make query into this database. You can use either fetch one methods to fetch single record, fetch all methods to fetch multiple values from database table. Fetch one, it fetches the next row of query result set, a result set object that is returned when a cursor object is used to query a table. Fetch all, it fetches all the rows in a result set. If some rows have already been extracted from the result set, then it retrieve the remaining rows from the result set. Row count, this is a read-only attributes and return the number of rows that were affected by an execute methods. Okay, after that, now if you want to following queries, if you want to having some conditions in your programs, if you assign some condition in your queries. Now here one query is assigning condition, that is select star from employee where is income greater than of 1000. That means what is the value you want to display here? Those are the employees' salary is greater than 1000. That employees list you want to display here. After that, update operation also perform in MySQL. How to perform the update operation? Update operation on any database means to update one or more records which are already available in the database. The following procedure updates all the records having which is increase the age of all the males by 1 year. How to write that? Put up in there. Simply write down command SQL equal to update employee set age equal to age plus 1 where. And finally, delete operation performed in database MySQL. Delete operation is required when you want to delete some records from your database. Following the procedure, delete all the records from employee where age is more than 20. Then suppose here condition put it SQL delete from employees where age is greater than 20. Again try and each and every model, try and except model used for the handling of the exception handling. And finally database db.close. The commit operation, what actually commit and rollback operation, difference between that two concept. Commit is the operation which gives the green signal to a database to finalize the changes, and after this operation no change can be reverted back. Here is a simple example of commit method, that is a db.commit. And rollback operation, if you are not satisfied with one or more of the changes and you want to revert back those changes completely, then you should use for the rollback methods. Here is a simple example to call rollback method, that is a db.rollback. And finally, disconnecting database, simply to disconnect database connection, we use for the close method, that is a db.close. If the connection to database is closed by user with close methods, any outstanding transactions are rolled back in db. However, instead of depending on any database lower level implementation details, your application would be better off calling commit or rollback explicitly. Finally, that is a handling of errors. There are many sources of errors. Few examples are syntax error in executed SQL statement, connection failure, or calling fetch methods for an already cancelled or finished statement header. The database API defines a number of errors that must exist in each database module. There is a this of the list. The final conclusion of this means we have studied MySQL database access. Using of that, it is simply we studied here for how to install MySQL database on your system, how to create database, how to create tables, then how to insert a value into tables, then how to update any particular values for the tables, how to delete value from the table. You study that all and execute all these script available this manual one by one on your system. Now we will see the some of the project demonstrations. Okay, what is the demonstration project available here? Here just because you are last after studying all this practical or executing this practical, you need to implement one type of a project in your Python. That is your last task. I will show to you some of the examples. What actually project idea in your Python? In first year level, you already many project done. Some of the students have 3 to 4 groups. But here you will be only one member present in a group. In your individually create your project. Okay, now I will show you some demonstration of project. But actually some of the demo given here, you just go for that help and click on your turtle demo. Here some of the examples application available in your project. Okay, just first step of a window is open, that is a turtle graphics examples. You also can open create your study of this project and create your project. Go to example. First, that is a lot of example given, that is a byte design, choose, plot, then color mixers, forest, then for fractals, then endemier, minimal, Hanoi, name, paint, piece, round dance, tree. Such type of a project name available. You everyone to be need to submit your project topic and make one project in this semester and submit at the end of semester. See here examples. You are suppose selecting this byte design. Okay, these are the code available. These are the by default given. You study of all this code. Okay, and run your project. Suppose these are the function. All these your practical. Whatever you perform, same available for code here. You just click on start, automatically to execute it. See, this is your application. Such type of application you create. Okay, I was one more time to click on start running. In this way, graph is to created using Python. Take another example. Class again start that. See, that means in this way you also create your project, just like ECG in your body ECG. So step of the graphics you will be design. Again start, again to start. Clear such type of examples available. Again go to third clock. That is a clock available. Okay, in you want to create a clock. See, whatever your time, current time, 12:27 p.m. automatic 12:27 here. July 6 July, Monday. Automatically to create. Take the current system time and date and to digital. You stop, watch, click on stop. That is again start from as usual regular time. That means this code, this is the highlighted part you study and you will be creating such type of a project. Again next example you will see here, that is a forest. Okay, click on that forest code, start. See, tree animation to be created using the Pythons. Again for paint, suppose you want to paint, start. This is a point, move that point here and there. Okay, in this way you can draw your particular points. After that, next example see that. Such type of graphics also you can create it. Then for sorting animated, see sorting animated methods. Start here, see here how to sort that particular. That means using your sorting method, FIFO and LIFO. Just like you click automatically that sort particular, use mouse key for stop. Okay, that is your sorting method. See, it is sort out particulars. Then trees. How that trees is formed. Next example, that is for two conveys. One part you left side you draw, automatically right side draw. See, one part where you see here, automatically second part to be automatically will be drawn. Wikipedia. Now see, this is such type of graphics. Such type of application create using Python. Then again for this canvas. Okay, you study of that all the project and you can execute your project. You done to your project using reference of this. Do not submit as a topic to me. Remember this thing. Okay, this is only for your reference how to create project in a Python. Okay, thank you for the attending today's sessions.